A landlord renting a luxury apartment in Dublin 4 has been ordered to return €1,750 of a tenant's deposit over a dispute about damage to a 15-year-old Roche Bobois dining table. Amy Malloy reports that Benjamin Peacock was living in a property in Seabury on Sydney Parade Avenue for 5 years and had been paying €2,601 rent a month to Deirdre Power. When he moved out of the apartment, Miss Power refused to return his deposit as she claimed damage in excess of normal wear and tear had been caused. Mr. Peacock told a Residential Tenancies Board tribunal hearing that this was related to an incident involving a glass-topped table designed by the luxury furniture brand Roche Bobois. He described the damage to a corner of the Golden Gate table, which seats 8 people, as a nick measuring around 2 centimetres. The RTB was told that the table was bought for €5,240 in 2010. While the tenant accepted the table was marked, he said it was accidental and not malicious. The manufacturer indicated it would be difficult to repair, but that the damage could be smoothed out. Mr. Peacock argued that the landlord was not entitled to retain the entire €2,500 deposit because of the mark. He said he looked after the property to a very high standard and returned it in the condition it was leased, with an acceptable level of wear and tear. Mr. Peacock ate at the table twice a day and sometimes hosted dinner parties. On one occasion during the tenancy, the table had been moved up against a wall, which he believes caused the damage. Deirdre Power, a representative of the landlord, described the damage as a chunk rather than a nick. The RTB ruled it would be disproportionate to impose the entire cost on Mr. Peacock because it should be expected there would be some depreciation over a 5-year tenancy. For this story and more, you can read The Irish Independent.